Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. If you can see this video, the Google I/O opening press conference has just ended and Google has introduced the new Pixel 3a and the new Pixel 3a XL. So I got already the smaller device here, 5.6 inch in the color white. 64 gigabytes, and it costs here in Germany 400 euros. So inside we get a Snapdragon 640, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and in the bigger XL version you get exactly the same hardware with three differences. Of course the XL is bigger, of course the XL got the bigger battery, 3000 milliampere hours, 3700 milliampere hours at the XL, and the XL costs around 80 euros more. So what we got here on the box? We got a Google logo and this device on the side, Team Pixel hashtags, and that's it. Let's open up the box. And we can see we got the white version, there's also a black version and a purplish version. And let's open up the foil and see. And just for your guidance, here I got the Google Pixel 3 XL, and this A3A feels, I would say, exactly the same. Polycarbonate case, and they even looks the same. Of course, we got different power button colors, but everything else nearly looks the same. So in terms of build quality, if you know the Pixel 3, then you know the 3a. This is a Pixel 2, 5.5 inch. I just took it so that you can see some comparison here. Let's activate the device. Oh, no, this is 5 inch. This is a 5-inch device, not 5.5. So there you can see the screen size difference here. So let's get around the device. We got the off button, which is nice and hard to push. The volume button, which is nice and hard to push. On off button, I can reach this with my right thumb and also with my left index finger. So one hand operation, no problem. On top, we get a microphone. We get even a headphone jack. On the left side, we get our SIM card opening, nano SIM card, but there's also an eSIM possibility. We get speaker, USB Type-C, and a microphone. Oh, this is a microphone, this is a speaker, and this device comes with stereo speakers, which is nice. On the back side, we see our fingerprint scanner and the camera, which is nearly totally let into in the case. But let's see, yes, a little bit moving around. And first impression, I have to say, yes, of course, it's an OLED display. You see a little bit bluish here. I would guess it's again an LG panel. But then let's check out what else is in the box of the Pixel 3a. We got pieces of paper and a SIM card tray opening tool. Guidance book, which shows us where to put in our adapters, where are the openings, and we got also active sensor, active edge. You can also press the device again to maybe start the assistant. We get stickers, too, a Google sticker and a hashtag Team Pixel sticker, fine print, warranty guide, then we get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. We get a USB Type-C to USB-A adapter. We get some headphones with the device. Let's see, different in-ear, okay, and different in-ear pieces. So they're in-ear and not just in-ear, they're also audio jack. So, as you have seen, audio jack, and we get headphones fitting the audio jack. And the last thing, we get the charger, which is again a white USB Type-C charger, which comes with an output of 18 watt. So that's everything that comes with the Pixel 3a. And of course, I'm going to review the device. I'm going to set it up now and check it out and compare it a lot with the Pixel 3, with the Pixel 2 maybe. But my first impression, because of the CPU, it's a Snapdragon 670, so no 710 with a stronger GPU. But the price point at 400 euros, I'm not that sure of the market prices right now. But if you get a normal Pixel 3 without the A for a little bit more, I would definitely consider, without even testing the device. Maybe this is a nice device, but it's just speaking about the CPU built in. Gets a normal Pixel 3. What about the Pixel 2 for the same price point? This is something I'm going to figure out, which I'm going to compare, going to test, and give me a couple of days, maybe weeks, and then I will tell you. But first impression, standard Pixel device. But this is it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!